Tonight, the 11-0 first place Caledonia Corvairs faced their closest geographical rival, the second place Ancaster Avalanche, who post a record of 7 wins, 1 loss, and a tie. Down the half wall, Pauly turns around, has a look, forehand side, drops to Brown, far corner, over the right side, shot, they score! Luscombe to Pauly, and the Corvairs strike quickly on the power play. The impressive 42% on the, or 40% rather. Shot driving to the net, and they score! A fallen Jake Brown in the crease. I believe Matt Hoare, Pauly got it. Going hard to the net down the far side. Hard to see where the puck went in, with Jake Brown sliding from the near to the far corner. Callis must have slashed. Here's Hughes, the shot, and he scores. Hughes breaks free, splits off the check down the right-hand side, and fires a backhand wrist shot halfway up the net past the blocker side of Sinclair. In the high slot by Max Ballinson. Luscombe to Brown, back to Luscombe, and he scores! The give and go, Luscombe to the right side to Brown. Brown gives it right back to him, and Luscombe easily deposits the goal on the far side. Luscombe with his 6th goal on the year. Brown wisely gives back to Moran, who clears to the blue line. Pauly grounds at the shot, and he scores! What a play by Corey Pauly. Caledonia short-handed. Corey Pauly with the hat trick goal. Called for the pass at the blue line. Cox and Luscombe tied up behind the Caledonia net. Bianchi and Nagy on the sidewall. Luscombe and Manella as well. The shot down low. The Avalanche strike quickly and cut the deficit in half. With 1:45 to go in the second, Ryan Cox down low on the far side. Shot by Schaefer, the rebound. Picked off by Sullivan. Hilton, here's Police. Hilton to the net. Drops to Sullivan, the shot, and they score! So the Avalanche changed their fortunes in a hurry. Give Arc Pro a call. 519-755-7409. The shot, and they score. Cipriano and Sinclair, no chance. A perfect shot off the inside of the post and in by Donato Cipriano. Norton. Picked up and played out by Burnell. Sinclair out to challenge. Manella down the wing. 4 seconds to go in the game. Hilton loses it, and we go to overtime. The shot, Pauly, Hoare in front. I don't know how Caledonia, shot by Brown, and they score! Jake Brown in overtime wins it. The Corvairs move to a perfect 12-0 on the year with the overtime victory. 2:40 remaining in the second overtime.